Hello, friends, it's Mrs. Lang, and I have the book Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs, and I'm going to retell the story today. Once upon a time in the land of make-believe, there was a little town called Chew and Swallow. In most ways, it was like any other town. It had stores and houses, a school, and a post office. But there were no grocery stores in Chew and Swallow. They didn't need any. The sky provided all the food they needed. The only thing that was really different about Chew and Swallow was the weather. It came 3 times a day at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Whatever the weather served, well, that's what they ate. But it never rained rain, and it never snowed snow, and the wind never just blew. It rained things like soup, and it snowed things like mashed potatoes. When the people went outside, they carried their plates and forks and spoons with them. That way they were always prepared for whatever the weather and the menu brought. By the time they woke up in the morning, breakfast was coming down. After a brief shower of milk, low clouds of sunny side up eggs moved in, followed by some toast and a thunder of bacon. For lunch one day, tomatoes blew in from the northeast, and there was a storm of French fries with ketchup clouds nearby. Then the wind shifted, and some hot dogs blew in. Oh, dinner one night consisted of a sprinkling of strawberries, turning to green peas raining down. And then it became hot, and down came roasted chicken, yum, with a beautiful, sunsetting of cookie. The garbage men of Chew and Swallow had an unusual job. They cleaned up all the food, and they served some to the dogs and the cats, and fed some in the ocean for the fish, turtles, and whales. Life in Chew and Swallow was truly delicious, until one day when the weather took a turn for the worse. One day there was nothing but soggy old asparagus to eat. And it was, soggy. Then down came delicious ice cream with, onions. Oh, the day ended with a stomach ache that day. Not only was the food getting stranger, it was also getting larger and larger, and the people were getting scared. One day a pancake rained down. It was so huge, it covered the whole school, and they had to close it. The people of Chew and Swallow decided it was time to find a new place to live. So they found some giant bread, and they glued it together with peanut butter. They made a sail out of cheese, and the people climbed aboard and set sail for a new land. After many days, the people found a new town. When they got there, the children went to look for the school, and the parents had to go to the grocery store, because in their new town, the only thing it rained was rain, and the only thing it snowed was snow, and the only thing that blew was the wind. The end.